Looking for Valentino handbags and wallets for the holidays? Luckily, we are here to help. Here are the best choices we think you should consider when looking for the perfect gift. And the best part? We already collected them for you. All you need to do is click this link below and choose your favorite one. Number 1, by Valentino by Maria Valentino. A great gift idea for this coming Christmas. Tap the link below for our full gift guide list. Number 2, by Valentino Armani. We got gifts ideas for everybody on your list. Click this link below and choose yours. Number 3, by Valentino by Maria Valentino. Another great choice in our gift idea list for 2018. Tap the link below for more details. Christmas 2018 is almost here. Click this link below for more great offers and ideas. Get yours now.